Hey, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the registration process step by step, making it easy and hassle-free to get started. Welcome back. In this video guide, I'll go through each step of the registration process, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully set up Payoneer account. Please note that all the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. To begin, navigate to the Payoneer website. You can find the link in the description below this video or in the comments section. Upon arriving at the site, this is the homepage you'll see. Let's get started by setting up a Payoneer account. To do this, click on the Open Your Account button or the Register button located at the top left of the homepage. A pop-up window will open where you'll need to fill in the required information. Alternatively, you can click on the Sign In button, which will take you to the Sign In page. From there, click on Sign Up to be redirected to the registration page. Regardless of whether you choose the first option or this alternative method, you will be required to fill in the same information. The only difference is the user interface, which will appear slightly different. Next, select your account type. Choose the option that best describes you: freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual if you're using Payoneer for personal transactions. I'll select freelancer option. On this page, there are no additional options to choose from, so simply click here. Then, click the Register button to proceed, which will take you to this page. On this page, you'll be asked about your business registration status. If you don't have a registered business, keep the first option selected. No, my business isn't registered. If you do have a registered business, choose the second option and fill in your business information. In this case, we'll continue with the first option. No, my business isn't registered. Next, fill in your personal information. Start by entering your first name, followed by your last name. Then, enter your email address and re-enter it in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Finally, set your date of birth by selecting your year of birth from the drop-down menu, and month from the drop-down menu, and day from here. Click the Next button to proceed. This will take us to the next section, where we'll fill out our address and contact information. If your country is not automatically detected, you can click here to select it from the list. Next, enter your address in the provided field. You can either select from the suggested options after entering your street number or click Enter Address manually to type it in yourself. I'll choose one of the suggested addresses. Your state will also be automatically selected, though you can manually select it if needed, along with your city and zip code. Enter your phone number in the provided field, then click the Send Code button. After receiving the verification code, enter it in the provided field. Then click the Next button to continue. This will take us to the Security section, where you'll need to create a password for your account. Enter your desired password in the first field, and then re-enter it in the second field to confirm. Next, select a security question from the drop-down menu. This security question will be used to help you recover your account if you forget your password, and may also be asked when you connect your Payoneer account to other platforms. Select any question and provide an answer to that question in the provided field. Next, you'll need to provide identification information. If you're a U.S. citizen, please enter your social security number. Then click the Next button to continue. If you're a non-U.S. citizen, select your ID type from the available options and enter your ID number in the provided field. You'll also need to set the expiration date of your ID by selecting Year from the drop-down menu, and month from the drop-down menu, and day from here. Once you've completed these fields, click the Next button to continue with the registration process. This will take us to the Bank Account section. Here you can add your bank information that you will use to withdraw your money from Payoneer account, so you can change your bank currency. And select your bank name from here. If not, click Other and enter it name. And enter your bank account number, and then enter your bank routing number, and then select your bank type if checking account or with saving account. Please select the I agree to the terms and conditions option by checking both boxes. This confirms that you have read, understood, and accepted the terms and conditions of using Payoneer services. And finally, click on Submit button. Now that we've created our account, there are only 2 final steps to complete the setup and start using our Payoneer account. Let's do it now. Click on My Account to be taken to the login page. Simply enter your login credentials, including your email address and password, and then click the Sign In button to access your account. When you log into your Payoneer account for the first time, you'll see a prompt like this. To get started, simply click on the Update Now button. This will take us to an additional security step, where we'll set up more security questions. To do this, simply select your first security question from the drop-down menu and provide an answer to that question in the provided field. Repeat this process for the second and third questions, choosing questions that you prefer and answering them accordingly. Once you've filled out all the questions, click on the Change button. A pop-up will appear. It prompts you to enter the code sent to your email. Let's go to our email inbox to retrieve the verification code and complete the verification process. First, let's look for the email verification message from Payoneer in our inbox. Once we've found it, click on the Verify My Email link to verify our email address. Now that our email is verified, let's go back to the email to find the verification code. Next, look for the email containing the verification code from Payoneer. Copy the code and then return to the Payoneer. Paste the code into the provided field and click the Submit button. After that, click the Done button to complete the verification process. Finally, click the Let's Go button. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the sign-up process for your Payoneer account. By default, your account will be set up with 3 currencies, and you'll be pleased to know that your account has been approved and is now ready for use. You'll be able to receive and send payments globally and take advantage of a range of features and benefits. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on using Payoneer and other online payment platforms. See you in the next video. Peace.